My name is Geof Oppenheimer, and I was trained as a sculptor, but I work in many different forms now, including video and photography. It has been both exactly like every other biennial I've participated in, but also completely unique in the fact that this is the first time that contemporary art has been presented in the kingdom at such scale, which to me is an enormously exciting opportunity, and one that when I was asked, I didn't have to think twice about accepting. The entire room that we are in is entitled People in Reverse, and it was initially commissioned by UCCA in Beijing. I've been working with Philip Tenari, the director, for quite a while, and when he was asked to be the director of this biennial, he and I thought that it'd be a very interesting idea to bring this project from Riyadh to Beijing and then on to America. So it is part of a traveling project. In short, the project asks questions about the role of the figure and the role of symbolism in the world after neoliberalism. We are moving from a time when the economic system that has been governing our planet for the past 50 years is evolving into something else. And you can see that every day in Riyadh. The language I am asking those questions in is in traditional figurative sculpture. So the objects in this room take on issues of weight, materiality, and symbol in the same ways that sculpture has been doing for hundreds of years, but just asking much more modern questions with the same historical tools. And within that superstructure, the three sculptures in the space also have names. They are the flag bearer, the businessman, and the observer. In English, we call them archetypes. Every society has these people within them. In this room, I'm sort of making symbolic images of these very, very common social figures. I'm inspired by life. I think that art is at its best when it helps people understand the systems in which they live underneath. I feel it is my job and the job of most artists to be very observant to social conditions and make work that helps people understand it. The most important thing when looking at contemporary art is to trust your own subjective experience. Your world and the life you have lived helps you understand the art of your time. And so in looking at any type of art, how does this make me feel? How does this make me think about my own experience is the most important questions to be asking yourself. I do sincerely hope that it makes people more understanding of others, but most importantly, more understanding of themselves. And I'm very, very happy to be here.